Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I got this perfect pedicure for only $15. Then I'll show you all my wash day and maintenance routine for my mini twist. Let's get into it. Oh, yikes. Yeah, you probably weren't expecting that, but we gotta start somewhere. Starting off by removing that dead skin on the side of my toenail. And then I'm gonna push back my cuticles. I think the internet calls these dry pedicures. I'm into a mix of both, honestly, but I like to get a bulk of the work done before soaking my feet. Next up, I'm going to perfect the shape of my nails using a hand file. I love the straight edge, kind of like a French type of look, so I'm not going to curve my file too much. Just hold it like super straight and go back and forth. Yes, of course, a lot of people will tell you not to go back and forth, but I'm not going to tell you that in this video. We all for doing whatever we like in 2025, okay? Okay. Now that my prep steps are done, I'm going to fill my foot spa with some warm water. Okay, it's not really that warm. I like it kind of hot. I'm going to add in some Epsom salt, and I found this bath spaghetti in Dollar Tree, y'all. I wanted to try it out. I added in a few little strings. I wasn't for sure if it would make like a bunch of bubbles. It kind of didn't, so I went ahead and added some of my foot soak. You can really add whatever you would like to the water. If you want to make this a super deluxe pedicure, add some oranges, cucumbers, whatever you would like. Yeah, so that's me adding the foot soak, just 2 small little drops because the bubbles tend to go everywhere, and I like to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes before we begin the next steps. And before the girls run to the comment section like, why are we doing pedicures in the wintertime? Why are you not? So this is the Dr. Scholl's Nano Glass foot file. I like to use this in the shower. You can use it wet or dry. You can use it on wet or dry feet also. And basically you want to kind of just massage your feet with this, remove any rough skin, any dead skin, until your feet are nice and soft. After that, I'm going to take an exfoliation scrub. This is sort of just like a gel, and I'm going to massage this all over the feet. It has like this nice cooling sensation to it. If you want to get real fancy with it, girl, you can take it up along the legs, kind of all the way up close to the knees if you would like. This is the time where I kind of massage my feet and I go in circular motions until I'm satisfied, and then I'll rinse it off. So next up, I'm going to apply this foot cream, being mindful to not get this on the nails since I don't want any products or oils to interfere with the nail application process. Since I'm going in with artificial nail tips today, I'm going to apply this Nail Prep Dehydrator by ᶫᵒᵒᵒ onto my natural nails. I'm going to apply the BTArtBox Gel. This is the tip primer. I don't think you really need this step. You can go without that, but I'm just showing it since it was a step that I included. So today we'll be trying out the BTArtBox Gel Press On Toenails. I ordered these from Amazon, and inside you get the press on nails, the wood stick, the hand file. You also get the nail glue, instructions, the alcohol pad, basically everything you need comes inside of this kit, and it's only $14.97. So I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. So let's go ahead and get started. So I started off with the nail glue on my natural nail bed. I applied a little bit of that to the back of the nail tip, and I will try to leave in some of my trial and error steps while doing my nails. Different nail kits I feel like require different things. This one I noticed did not need that much nail glue to where you apply it to the natural nail and to the back of the press on nail. So maybe that's why it wasn't really sticking too well. Wait a minute. I decided to just skip that one. We'll come back to it later. Once I've confirmed that I like the size of the nail and it's covering my own natural nail from sidewall to sidewall, I apply a small dab of glue to the back of the press on. Hold it onto my natural nail for about 60 seconds. Twist a little cute heart-shaped tab at the end, girl, and boom, press on nail complete. I decided to just grab the BTArtBox gel. This is a gel glue. It is sold separately. If you already have a clear gel nail polish or gel glue at home, that'll work the exact same way. You don't have to have this specific brand that I'm using, or you could also just use the nail glue and that'll keep you in that $15 price range. So I went ahead and cured this underneath my UV lamp. The thing that I love about these little press-ons, they have like this heart-shaped little tab on the end, which made it super easy to kind of grip the little nail and hold it in place while you're allowing it to dry. Following the instructions that's on the back of the box, press for 60 seconds and done. So I did try to make sure that I'm doing the full 60 seconds. That way I can get the best wear out of these nails. So after all of the nails are applied, I file away at that little tab. And here's a look at my nails immediately after the application. They look amazing. I decided to go in with a gel top coat. This one is by OPI. I decided to go in with a gel top coat just for an added shine. I'm going to cure that underneath my UV lamp for 2 minutes. Follow up with my cuticle oil from Dollar Tree. So let's get into the finished look. I absolutely love the way my nails turned out. Love that I was able to achieve a look so flawless from the comfort of my own home. Whether you wanted to save money this year, you want to get into doing your own nails, whatever the reason, or even if you like French pedicures and you just don't even feel like being bothered with trying to get the white line perfectly straight, girl, just grab these press-ons. By the way, this is not sponsored, y'all. I'm just obsessed with the way my nails turned out. Like, they look amazing. The next day after applying my press-on nails, I did go in and kind of file down the length of the big toes just a little bit more to kind of match the other ones. This was really fun. I feel like I'm into gel nails, but I haven't really done like the press-on toenails a lot. So for this to be my first attempt and it turned out this amazing, highly satisfied. Would I purchase this kit again? Girl, I got 2 more boxes in my cart on Amazon already. So I got my hair done January the 3rd, 2025. I was on my YouTube break, but I will link the video on how my sister does my mini twist in the description box down below. A lot of y'all thought I did this hairstyle myself. Girl, I don't know how to do this. Shout out to Boom.
When we hang out at night, Disney, who gotta come get me? Oh, I ain't coming. Yeah, you right. Exactly. I don't ride my car.
A little rough around here, because he doesn't have the advantage of refining it.
All right, turn your hair block on, because it's full.
If you're new here, I do have scalp psoriasis, so my dermatologist does recommend that I wash my hair at least once a week. Sometimes I skip the once a week if the hairstyle that I'm wearing lasts longer than a week. But to be a little bit more proactive about making sure that I'm taking care of my scalp before it gets flaky, before it gets out of hand, I decided to go ahead and wash my twists at the 2-week mark just to prolong my wear of them. Because once my scalp look crazy, it's a wrap on whatever hairstyle it is. I do have products that my dermatologist prescribes for me, but sometimes I do get a little curious. So I picked up this dandruff shampoo, wanted to give this one a try. When I'm shampooing my hair, I do my best to make sure that I'm not scratching my scalp because that will cause irritation, redness. If you don't have a problem scalp or a trouble scalp like mine, then maybe you can. Sometimes I can't help it.
And I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower on me. Just rain on me.
Did allow this conditioner to sit for the duration of my shower. Then I rinsed it out with cool water. there are only, is my mic on? So it's only 3 products that I'm going to put in my hair. I'm going to put in the Light Body leave-in conditioner, probably 4, but not all today. And then this is the Softy Mango Butter. This was put in my hair when my sister Boone actually did my hair. About twice a week, I put the Dupe Mega Thick Hair Formula hair oil in my hair. Another one that I use, which is basically now about to be a product empty. Literally got it just down to here. Design Essentials Anti-Itch and Tension Relief. It's a tea tree and aloe oil. It has peppermint in it. So anytime I would feel like itchy scalp, I would use this one. Obviously this grows the hair. It is like, well, the claims is that it's a thicker, stronger hair, all of that. But I use this since, see how my parts are out? Still got a little buildup right there. I just don't like my parts to look dry. And so I would just kind of take this. It's easy to kind of run this in between the parts basically. I should have been filming when I went to my dermatologist earlier this month. I think I got like a little clip. My dermatologist and the nurse were basically saying that they love my hair. And he likes how basically I can access all of my scalp with a hairstyle like this. With me having scalp psoriasis, it makes it easier for me to basically oil it. See how I just kind of, and I just kind of massage that in. I try to rub in a downwards motion to keep everything going down. And I know some people are like, if you just wash your hair, why are you putting all of those products back in it? But I literally won't have any products in my hair. And my hair will be brittle and break off when I untwist these and let my own natural hair back out. You still want to make sure that your hair isn't dry, in a dry state basically, to protect it. So but I don't load my hair up with heavy products daily. If anything, Mama put me on to this oil sheen. I really love it. It's the Proline oil sheen. It smells like strawberries. It's got like a strawberry scent to it that I love. If not for anything else, that might have been something that goes in my hair every day or every other day. Some days when I'm not leaving the house, I'll take that as an opportunity to not overload my hair with too many products. Follow what your hair seems like it needs. Like if I look at my scalp and it's not dry, then I'm not going to mess with it. Because you can't overdo it too. Okay. I think I'm just going to let these dangle and dry. And I like to decide where my part is going to be, obviously, for the flip over. Because it will dry in the state that you put it in. I'm not gonna do that to my entire scalp, but here and there.
Let me break it down and tell you what your is like. Let me break it down and tell you what your sex is like.
So just sit back and relax and enjoy.
It's a brand new first love. I'm feeling brand new. My light start on my face when I watch, and the doors come like in the middle of the night on the gram, and I'm sexing for life. I know I'll be on some crazy shit, but I love to.
Hold on. Let me try to explain.
You wouldn't leave me.
Got no whip so low, no one's gotta know. No one gotta know.
Okay, y'all, so it's been a few days since doing my pedicure and washing my hair. This is how my hair turned out, by the way. A lot of y'all were asking me to show different hairstyles. I normally don't style my mini twists until my hair starts getting old. Today I actually put those same products in there, and then I just lay my edges with the Kiss. I'll put it on the screen because I only found 1 minute of space worth deleting. I'm getting ready to go to my first pajama night party tonight. I got these pink PJs on. These are from Walmart. And then they just got like the little pockets right here. And that with my matching pink house shoes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We need to do my nails. I don't want to do press on. So that's why I skipped that in this video, because I want to do some acrylics. So stay tuned for that. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Questions, comments, leave all of that down below. Let me know if you all will be trying out the press ons. They will be linked in my description box down below, as well as this outfit if I can find it. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. If you all enjoyed this video and you want to see another one just like it, be sure to click right over here. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free to do so. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all in my next upload. Bye.